Life on 41 Wren Street in 1950s West Roxbury brought joy. Ample space, a shaded street lined with American elms, and the understated elegance of Mrs. Schurish's 1920 arts and crafts stucco home. We notice here the functional wooden shutters, and we find these sunburst patterned transom windows. We see this same style window in neoclassical buildings like the San Juan Courthouse in Washington State. The porch roof, with its intersecting planes integrated seamlessly with the main structure, the latticed arbor, echoes the porch latticework. The tulip tree, a native giant, stood as a living anchor, its canopy shading and enriching the landscape. The house stood out especially because of its distinctive heavy dash stucco walls. They felt rough to the touch. The Schurishes never had to paint them. So, where did this architectural style come from? Well, after World War I, U.S. servicemen returned, inspired by European village aesthetics. Architect Julius Gregory, a veteran himself, spearheaded the movement for such homes that offered a timeless charm. But changes were coming. 35 Wren had become overgrown, and then the property changed hands. New owners felled the majestic tulip tree, erased the original porch, and replaced handcrafted windows with sterile industrial casements. They boarded over a second-story central window, disrupting the home's symmetry and robbing it of light and harmony. The warm-colored stucco walls, once balanced by maroon trim, gave way to a stark black-and-white facade, cold and lifeless. These changes, and more, leave behind a void that erases the home's historic and aesthetic appeal. They did seem to fix the stucco. But all is not lost. 2 blocks away at the corner of Maxfield and LaGrange Street, a twin of 35 Wren, number 333 LaGrange. But who would do this? Well, Pam Bardi would. Pam is a self-proclaimed life coach who claims to be a 9-figure real estate guru. She says she's in the business, quote, of flipping homes, unquote. I'd rather live like Mrs. Schurish.